Hey everyone, it's been raining incessantly for the last 2 days here in Kolkata. It's so gloomy outside, a kind of saddening environment has been created. But being a proclaimed pluviophile since my childhood, I start reminiscing the childhood memories and wonder how the rains used to bring a lot of happiness and joy, but nowadays it doesn't. And why? That's why I thought of doing a bit of makeup just to bring back those lost colors from the gloomier surroundings. The easiest refuge for hope and positivity for me when I'm practically hopeless. So, coming to the makeup, this follows the very conventional way I do it every time, so I won't explain much on them today. Rather, I decided to share some of the rain soaked anecdotes from my life with you. Now, who's a pluviophile? Someone who loves rain? No, not just that. It's craziness, adulation. So, the definition is certainly bigger than how it sounds. Has it ever happened to you during your childhood that you felt extremely intrigued to hit the road when it used to rain profusely, more than any other normal dry day? Did you ever feel that the petrichor was the most welcoming scent for you to hit the road, go out, see the lavish greenery? It has always happened to me. This time I am searching for colors through makeup, but previously I never used to do that. It used to be such a happy day for me. Do you remember the fully drenched school uniforms? We never used to be afraid of catching cold, did we? Because that was the loveliest of times to be playful and adventurous with the friends in the water. Very contrasting to what we do nowadays. Have you ever noticed the beautiful rain rivulets splattering on the window sill and flowing slowly? I can watch them flowing forever and ever. It's so beautiful, it's worth seeing. So eventually we all grew up, but then also the love for the rain remained as it is in me. And how? I would always feel like going out on a date when it would be raining, whereas no other person would turn up for that day. No other day felt more romantic than that of a rain soaked date. God listens to us, and that's why probably I was sent to a far off place from my motherland, and the city was well known for its rains. I mean, it used to downpour like nothing else, and we used to be engaged in our homes for days and days in that city, and I used to complain a lot, but God had sent me an angel, and it was a dog. And I still remember his name was Max. He used to come to our home, and we used to look at the rain, and because we could not go outside, so we only had to look at the window, how it was getting splattered with so many rivulets, and we used to love watching them together. And I don't know how time used to pass. I mean, that is one of the best memories I have from that country. Now you might be thinking, like, why am I saying all of these or sharing all these experiences, mental conflicts, and whatever it may be? I'm trying to find answer why nowadays rain doesn't make me feel exactly that happy and excited like I used to be when I was a child, when I used to explore the life. But what made me feel like taking refuge into something like makeup and not the natural process it should have been? I don't know, and that's what I'm trying to figure out, and that's what I am searching for by telling you all the story through my own story, listening to it, experiencing them all over again. What might be missing? I don't know. Having said all of these, if you know the answer or you feel accustomed, or if you feel that you also have a similar story, if you can relate to me in whatever way, don't forget to let me know. It would mean a lot. I hope you have liked this video along with all this experience sharing that I have done. I hope you like this look as well. Do let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you like it. Thank you. Bye.